Hey, it's me. I'm JC, just mentioned JC. And it's been a minute. It's been almost, I think, a whole full month. I feel like y'all miss him. Y'all miss me talking about him. Y'all miss Air. Well, give me a few seconds and I can start talking about him more. Okay, one more time. It's me. I'm JC, just mentioned JC. And it's what everybody call me. I know it's been a minute since I've talked about airs, and I'm really gonna say first and foremost, I am so sorry. It's been a crazy month last month, and now we're in a new month, so why not get back on? Yes, beer porn with airs. Yes, baby, you're back. It's weird. I kind of never meant to take time off, but I was working on so many videos, which I dumbed it down to just 3 videos, like for last month mainly, and it was 4 videos, and it just came 3 videos. But basically, right now, what I'm doing is talking. We're gonna do a beer talk. Yes, with airs. So what's been going on with airs, personally speaking, is I've been working on getting a type of regimen for airs where I'm going to show you my regimen that I've been using, and then I'm going to show you my watch day now, and I'm going to also, yes, I'm giving you a lot, and I'm going to show you my blowout with airs. Because airs is natural, and airs is kind of growing. Yeah, and I told y'all before, I like to do my everyday beard. So you've been seeing Aries all last month, but not talking about them. That's not as special. Real quickly, well, for all those that have beards, for like someone that's in the TW stage, basically having just like a tight fade, to the guys with beards, like real over in mind. We all go through our own struggles. I'm like in my second phase. As I told y'all before, my beard is like getting like little whiskers right there. Like I have my beginning parts having its own little baby hair. It's really crazy. But basically, that's kind of part of like what's going on. Having a beard talk with y'all is kind of fun because I do like a hair talk once a month now. So I might have its own talk day. Basically, getting back to a process, having a regimen for your beard is just as important as like if you have hair, having a regimen for your hair. Kind of knowing what your beard wants to feel and how you like your beard to feel. Some people like your beard to feel very moisturized and very silk smooth. Some people, like a lot of y'all, probably want like a more of a blowout where your hair is like showing all its full potential and so much more. And that's kind of like, it depends on the person. That's kind of what I do too, because I love my beard to be moisturized, and I like to have my LOC, which is a lock method, which is to lock in moisture. Yes, lock in moisture. See what I do right there? I didn't come up with the name. I just say the name that I was taught, and that's what I've kind of been using the whole time. And also having a talk about talking about your regimen is a big deal, because what you have to realize is everything has to have its own balance. Yes, you have a hectic schedule. You go to school. Yes, a lot of people beards. A lot of kids, like a lot of guys, can grow their beards early up at 18, 16. I was a late in life beard guy. So yes, Eris came originally, I think 2016, 2017. So like I'm later, like I'm like 25, 28 now. So as you can tell, my beard is something that like, I used to be just shaving off. And Aries is, I let Aries have his own time. I'm going to be having a lot more fun talking about like what my growth possibilities for my beard is and everything like that. Your beard, like my beard, if you name your beard, that's really cool because we keep it personal. If you don't, that's cool too. But you have to figure out your own regimen. And I'm gonna show you what I've been using lately. I can't really, because I did this off camera, so I can't talk about like it's being a tutorial. Hold on. Basically, I've been using the LOC method, and I started off with my aloe juice, and this is just like 3 or 4 sprays, and then I go with my oil. And this is my custom oil mix that I just made up like last week. And last but not least, I've been using this. And that's my like leave-in conditioner. This is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore smoothie. Yes, it's almost over, so I gotta go buy another one ASAP. But basically, yes, y'all don't know this, but the lighting's gonna do this a lot. So you're seeing the difference. It's gonna happen. Basically, I'm like verklempt. It's fall, and I just woke up, so I was like, I gotta make sure y'all understand Aries is back. But basically, what I want to talk to y'all about a lot of times is figuring out what do you use for your own beard. Your regimen is maybe different than mine. If your beard is coarser than your natural hair, or if your beard is coarse, some of you will use butters compared to, say, like creams, which are actually a difference. Some of you will like to use more like and have more shine to it, so you'll have to figure out what your regimen will take. And it's also kind of like a trial and error situation. The importance of your regimen is actually the key thing to keeping your beard healthy and strong. And as you see, Aries is growing, and also you see the Aries kind of the moisturizer of Aries, and you just see that shine. That shine happens because of the moisture, and also me feeling like me going like this and feeling like, oh, like it just feels so good. Having that softness is actually very important too, instead of having that kind of like texture where people are like, oh, cut that beard. Yes, whiskers and stuff like that too. That's very important for all y'all to know. Having a beard that's very important is that having my beard being healthy is my ultimate goal for my channel, and also my goal for you that watches. I mean, you have your regimen, and I really want you to tell me your regimen because I'm so dying to hear what you use for yours, what certain products you use for it, what you want to never use again, all that kind of stuff. And with that being said, I'm going to cut it short because we're just talking a little lightly, and Aries will be back next week, as always. Now, Travis, stay well, Travis, get well, and if you like this video, thumb me up. And if you can, share with a friend. Share with your new beard friend. We are beard brothers out there. And those are good weeds for beards. Hey, you're part of the game too. Beard game strong. I'll catch y'all later with the next one.